Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn numbers. Kids class name. Blue color, blue color. Red color, red color. Yellow color, yellow color. Brown color, brown color. Green color, green color. Yellow ochre color, yellow ochre color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use blue color. O-N-E 1. Kids again use blue color and draw 2. The numbers of 2. T, W or 2. Kids night 3. The numbers of 3. And use red color. Red color. T, H, R, W, 3. Kids again use red color and draw 4. The numbers of 4. F, O, U are 4. Kids night 5. The numbers of 5. And use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw 6. The numbers of 6. S-I-X 6. Kids again use yellow color and draw 7. The numbers of 7. S-E-V-E and 7. Kids now draw 8. The numbers of 8. And use brown color. Brown color. E-I-G-H-T 8. Kids again use brown color and draw 9. The numbers of 9. N-I-N-E 9. Kids night 10. The numbers of 10. And use green color. Green color. T, T and 10. Kids again use green color and draw 11. The numbers of 11. Kids night 12. The numbers of 12. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 13. The numbers of 13. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. Kids night 15. The numbers of 15. And use blue color. Blue color. The numbers of 15. Kids again use blue color and draw 16. The numbers of 16. Kids night 17. The numbers of 17. And use red color. Red color. The numbers of 17. Kids again use red color and draw 18. The numbers of 18. Kids night 19. The numbers of 19. And use yellow color. Yellow color. The numbers of 90. Kids again use yellow color and draw 20. The numbers of 20. Kids again use yellow color and draw 21. The numbers of 21. Kids night 22. The numbers of 22. And use brown color. A brown color. The numbers of 22. Let's again use brown color and draw 23. The numbers of 23. It's neither 24. The numbers of 24. And here's green color. Green color. 24. Kids again use green color and draw 25. The numbers of 25. Kids neither 26. The numbers of 26. And here's yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. The numbers of 26. It's again use yellow ochre color and draw 27. The numbers of 27. Kids again use yellow color and draw 28. The numbers of 28. Kids neither 29. The numbers of 29. And here's blue color. Blue color. The numbers of 29. Kids again use blue color and draw 30. The numbers of 30. Kids neither 31. The numbers of 31. And here's red color. Red color. Kids again use red color and draw 32. The numbers of 32. Kids neither 33. The numbers of 33. And here's yellow color. Yellow color. The numbers of 33. Kids again use yellow color and draw 34. The numbers of 34. Kids again use yellow color and draw 35. The last draw 35. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.